Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Gemini trending photo. Start by picking one clear subject and a clean background, then plan your lighting and composition. Use soft light like golden hour or a diffuser, and place your subject using the rule of thirds or leading lines. Keep colors harmonious and remove distractions. Edit lightly to enhance contrast and highlights, then export in high resolution for social platforms. Choose a camera and settings that prioritize clarity and control. Use low ISO and a wide aperture to isolate the subject and reduce noise, and keep shutter speed fast enough for motion or use a tripod for stability. Shoot in RAW so you can recover highlights and shadows during editing. Experiment with focal length to compress or expand perspective, and bracket exposures if the scene has strong contrast. Edit with intention to enhance mood and clarity without overprocessing. Start by cropping for composition and choose an aspect ratio that fits your target platform. Tweak exposure, contrast, and color temperature carefully to preserve skin tones and natural hues. Use selective tools to brighten eyes or clean backgrounds, and apply subtle sharpening plus noise reduction. Export with appropriate compression settings so your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.